Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Dell laptop. This is a Dell Latitude model 5330, and in this video I'm going to take you on a step-by-step how you can open it up and how you can remove or replace the battery for your laptop. If your battery is not holding up any lots of time charge, it's just discharging very quickly, or it's just giving a battery error replacement as soon as you turn on, that means you have to change your battery. All right. I'll leave the link for the tools I'll be using and compatible battery in a video description. Just remember, by replacing the battery or removing the battery, you're not going to lose any files or data, anything like that. Everything's going to be the way that you had left it before. And some question people keep asking me, can I use the laptop without the battery? And the answer is yes. You can use the laptop without the battery with no problem at all. The charger will last you longer. The motherboard will last you longer, as there will be less components to charge, or less components are going to be heating up. But the only downside is, as soon as the light goes off, the power goes out, the laptop will shut down. It's just like a PC desktop. All right, with all that said, let's get into it. A screwdriver. I'll purchase myself this iFixit screwdriver set, the basic tool set. We're going to be using a Phillips #1. If you get the Pro set, they will include you with an opening tools and some tweezers. If not, just get the basic set. For the opening tools, I'll be using a metallic guitar pick. Right, down on the bottom of the laptop, you're going to see a whole bunch of screws. All these screws, they have something called a C-lock. The C-lock will prevent the screw from coming out entirely. So pretty much you just rotate the screw, unscrew it, and if you keep doing it, you're going to be sitting there for years and trying to unscrew it. But you can see the screw comes out, but it doesn't come out entirely, because that's because of the C-lock, right? So you want to do this to all the screws, just loosen it out, but a few turns, and that's it. Also, if you guys like my videos, if you find my videos helpful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking that like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer questions in the comment area. All right, now that we loosen up all the screws, we're going to start from the front end of the laptop in the corner. We're going to put the guitar pick between the bottom case and the cover. You're going to twist it up a little bit, and you're going to hear those click sounds. Those are the clips are getting loose. You're not breaking anything. Go to the side, to the corner back, to the side. All right. Next, once you did the side, the front, and you just want to wiggle it up, lift it up, it will release the back side too. You don't have to go sticking the guitar pick in there. All right. All right. So down here we can see there's a battery, it's a 40 watt-hour battery. They do sell a little 61, 65 watt battery. It will extend all the way to these fillings. I'll try to get the link for those. I'll leave the link for this one too, if you want to replace it for a little longer hour. The model for the battery, it is M69D0. It's an 11.25 volt. To remove the battery, first we need to disconnect it. To disconnect it, you want to grab this handle that they provide you. It's a plastic handle or tape. And you want to grab it and you want to yank it towards the ceiling, straight upward. Right? Next, you want to remove all the screws, the 1, 2, 3 screws that touches the battery. The screws, again, they have a little C-lock on them. Once you remove those screws, lift it up from the front and slide it out, because there's a tiny hooks that goes under this bottom case. So there we have it. Once you get the new battery, they don't give you this cable. You need to detach this cable from here with a little gaffer's tape. There we go. And you want to pass it through, bring it out like this, and grab it from the corner. Don't grab it from the cable right here. Grab it from the edge corner right there and slide it out. This cable only goes in one way. So let's say you got the new one or the upgraded version. You want to grab this connector and you want to plug it in here first, slide it in, and make sure it goes all the way in there. And then you want to run the cable and pass this one through here. All right. Once you pass it through, what you want to do here, you want to bring the battery, you want to put the 45-degree, 35-degree inside the front end, so under these hooks. You want to drop it down and tighten up the screws. Don't go crazy on tightening the screw, just reach it and a little bit turn, and that's it. There we go. And to finish up down here is to grab the connector for the battery, align it over the jack. Make sure you always align it before pushing it inside with nicely both sides. And to finish the job, you just grab the bottom cover, put it over, push down the side, make sure you do nice big click sounds on the front. If you see any gap opening, you just pinch them really hard, it will go to its place. And to finish it off, tighten up the screws on the bottom casing. Again, I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys out to do your own battery replacement for your Dell Latitude 5330 model. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm just going to finish up putting up the bottom screw.